Come with me on a magical journey to create a coloring book. I am using the Coloring Book Creator Kit from Travio. The kit comes with 10 princess characters, 10 cover designs, 200 coloring pages, an Elements kit library, and in-depth training to create a variety of amazing books. Let's start with the cover design. Our coloring book will have Spanish phrases on each page. Our location for today is the absolutely stunning balcony set in the dim evening light, just perfect for our Princess Anastasia. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far away, there lived a little princess named Anastasia. With her golden locks cascading like sunlight and her eyes as blue as the morning sky, she was the epitome of innocence and beauty. Anastasia was adored by the entire kingdom for her kind heart and generous spirit. Anastasia's story began on a magical spring morning when the kingdom was celebrating the blooming of the rarest and most beautiful flowers. The palace was adorned with vibrant blossoms, and the air was filled with the sweet fragrance of the season. Little Anastasia, dressed in her exquisite ballroom gown, stood in awe at the beauty surrounding her. Her father, the wise and gentle King Alaric, had organized a grand ball to mark this special day. The palace was adorned with shimmering lights, enchanting melodies, and eager guests awaiting the ballroom's doors to open. As the ball commenced, Anastasia's eyes sparkled with wonder and joy as she danced among the guests. The magic of the occasion seemed to lift her off her feet. But amidst the festivities, a mysterious figure appeared, a charming young prince named Felix, with eyes as deep as the night sky. Felix was a visitor from a neighboring kingdom, and he was equally captivated by Anastasia's grace and charm. Their eyes met, and an unspoken connection bloomed between them. Fate seemed to have orchestrated this meeting as they danced and laughed, forgetting about the boundaries that divided their lands. However, lurking in the shadows was an envious sorceress, Serafina, who had always harbored jealousy for Anastasia's beauty and purity. Serafina cast a wicked spell that enveloped the palace, trapping Anastasia in a time loop where the ball would never end, and she would be forever separated from Felix. Days turned into nights, and nights into days. Anastasia danced ceaselessly, unaware of the passage of time. Her beautiful ballroom dress remained frozen in perpetual elegance, but her laughter gradually dimmed, and her once bright eyes grew somber. The kingdom fell into sorrow as they realized the princess was missing. King Alaric embarked on a quest to find a way to break the curse and reunite Anastasia with her love, Prince Felix. Now, the fate of Princess Anastasia and the kingdom rested on the courage and determination of those who sought to break the sorceress's wicked enchantment, restore the magic of the spring, and free the heart of a little princess yearning for her true love's embrace. And so, their enthralling adventure began, promising hope, love, and the triumph of good over evil in this captivating fairy tale. In their quest to break the curse, the kingdom turned to the old sage, Agathon, renowned for his wisdom and knowledge of ancient magic. Agathon revealed that the curse could only be broken by finding the truest expression of love, the embodiment of selflessness and sacrifice. King Alaric, desperate to save his daughter, set out on a journey with a group of brave and loyal companions. They encountered mythical creatures, navigated treacherous terrain, and solved intricate riddles to uncover the secret of breaking the curse. Meanwhile, Anastasia's spirit remained trapped in the endless dance, her laughter fading into a wistful echo of the past. She clung to the hope that her father and the brave adventurers would find a way to rescue her and restore her world to its rightful state. Days turned into weeks, and word of the curse spread far and wide. People from distant lands joined the quest, inspired by the tale of Anastasia's courage and the enduring power of love. Their collective determination became a beacon of hope, pushing the adventurers forward. Finally, the group reached the heart of the enchanted forest, where a magnificent crystal lay hidden, the key to breaking the curse. However, they faced one last trial, a test of love and sacrifice. Each member of the group had to prove their unwavering devotion and willingness to sacrifice for another. Their actions spoke louder than words. Selfless acts of kindness, protection, and love for one another demonstrated the truest form of love. The crystal acknowledged their sincerity and granted them the power to shatter the curse. With the crystal's magic, they broke the time loop, and Anastasia was released from her enchantment. She emerged from the ballroom, her once vibrant eyes now reflecting resilience and determination. Anastasia knew she had to face Serafina and end her reign of envy and malice. In a climactic showdown, Anastasia's unwavering spirit prevailed, and Serafina's dark powers were vanquished. The kingdom was free, and Anastasia and Felix were reunited, their love stronger than ever. Anastasia's story became a legend, echoing through the ages, a tale of courage, love, and the unbreakable spirit of a little princess who triumphed over adversity and found her happily ever after in a world filled with magic and love. In the wake of the curse being broken and the defeat of Serafina, the kingdom celebrated the return of Princess Anastasia. The entire realm rejoiced, their joy reflected in the blooming of the once dormant flowers and the rejuvenation of the land. Anastasia and Felix stood together, a symbol of love and resilience, promising unity and friendship between their kingdoms. The bond they shared was celebrated not only in their realm, but also in the hearts of people far and wide, proving that love could conquer even the darkest magic. Anastasia, now wiser and more compassionate, took on the role of a benevolent ruler, following in her father's footsteps. She worked tirelessly to ensure the prosperity and happiness of her people, implementing policies that promoted fairness, education, and kindness. The newfound peace and cooperation between the two kingdoms flourished, bringing about an era of prosperity and cultural exchange. Festivals and celebrations were held, fostering friendship and understanding between the two realms. As the years passed, Anastasia and Felix's love blossomed, culminating in a grand wedding that united their hearts and their lands. Their love story became a beacon of hope for generations, reminding all that love, kindness, and perseverance could overcome any challenge. Princess Anastasia's legacy lived on, inspiring generations of young girls and boys to be brave, kind, and compassionate in the face of adversity. Her story became a cherished part of the kingdom's folklore, passed down through the ages, a tale of love, resilience, and the magic that resides within the human heart. I hope you enjoyed Anastasia's story. Now that our cover is done and saved, let's customize the coloring pages by adding translations of Spanish and English phrases. I am adding in a speech bubble element where we will place the phrases together with a text element. Resize the text block into a rectangle to provide more space. Now copy the text and speech bubble element and continue to paste on each page where you would like to add in the phrases. Now for this part, we need some phrases, so we head over to ChatGPT and insert the following prompt. Give me 30 Spanish short phrases for little kids, include the phrase, pronunciation, and translation. Then copy those phrases into a text document or Excel file. Now copy and paste each phrase into the text blocks. Now save your design and upload it to your Amazon KDP account. And there you have it, a coloring book in under 10 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow and hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. See you in the next one.